Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to if you're new. If you aren't already, I can't even do that to you guys. I cannot promo, I cannot self-promote because where have I been? What have I been doing? It's senior year and your girl's trying to just get it and go, get the diploma and bounce. But in today's video I'm going to be doing 11 knotless box braid hairstyles ideas. So if you getting knotless braids, or if you getting braids in general, or if you already have them and you need some ideas, sis, I got you. Just watch. Thank you. So I also need to mention that I'm not going to be doing a lot of talking. I'm going to try to do a voiceover, maybe not that either, because I realize that I'm bad at explaining, and a lot of these are self-explanatory, so there's no point. I just had to take an intermission and stop and say how cute this one was. I'm wearing this one tomorrow, period, to school, because this is cute. And I just came up with this on a whim. Quick little intermission. So I'm sitting here doing all these hairstyles, and I realized that all these cute ass hairstyles I haven't even worn to school yet. Like, I have not tried it all. What am I doing with my life? I have one more week to get it together, and best believe these hairstyles will be shown. Period. Y'all, I'm just sitting here and I have my window open for natural lighting, and there's this big ass spider. It's not on the outside, but it's not on the inside. Let me show you. I'm scared. Look at it. Ah! It decided it wanted to go in the hole. The thing big. You don't even want to be on camera. Look. Pussy. Alright guys, so that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed and got some new hairstyle ideas for back to school. This wasn't like really for back to school, but this is where I'm going to be wearing them because I'm in school. But make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Smash that like button, turn that gray button blue, turn that red button redder, and turn your comment sections up. I'll see you guys in my next video. Also, be sure to comment down below some more video suggestions that you guys want to see. And if you guys have box braids, comment down below if you're going to use any of these hairstyles. And yeah, I'm really going to see you guys in my next video. Peace out, Girl Scout. Bye.